Hey everyone, and so in this video, I'm going to be going over how to go live on TikTok Shop for beginners. So I've been live streaming now for about 6 months, and I've averaged anywhere between like one to $2,000 per month. So with that being said, I have learned quite a few things when it comes to going live on TikTok. And so the main thing that really TikTok Shop revolves around is product selection when it comes to going live. So my recommendation is to go live with a product that has sold a lot before previously on TikTok already. I'd say like my most successful products on TikTok Shop Lives, I actually checked them and they've been anywhere from like having 10,000 to 50,000 sales already on the TikTok Shop. When I go live with products that have like less than 1,000 sales, or let's say like 100 sales, TikTok doesn't really push those products when I live stream with them. So my recommendation is to go live for at least 45 minutes on a product, and if you don't get any viewers pushed after 45 minutes, stop the live stream and then try another product. So live streaming on TikTok, it does depend a lot on A/B split testing. So first I'll test out live streaming with this phone, for example. I'll try that for like 45 minutes, and if I don't really get a lot of sales, I don't get a lot of viewers, I'll try this remote controller next, for example. So it's a lot of testing, and with TikTok Shop Live streaming, when it comes to trying to promote products and such, it really helps if you just repeat the same thing over and over and over as quickly as you can, just because people are coming and going within seconds. So I try to make my repetitive scripts as short as possible, but as appealing as possible as well. In addition to that, you're also going to be able to use billboards. So billboards are basically TikTok Shop Live's innate system of you actually pinning features to the screen. And so usually I use billboards on all my live streams. I highlight features. I basically say what the sale is, whether it's 33% off, 47% off, or 50% off. In addition to that, you do want to make sure that you pin your product, okay? It's probably only happened to me twice where I go live for about like 20 minutes to only realize that I haven't pinned the product. By pinning the product on your TikTok Shop Live, viewers will be able to easily access the product so that they don't have to click through so many things just to buy your product. So make sure you pin your product as soon as you go live as well. The other thing I learned from live streams is that setting does matter as well. So I'd say the primary thing is product selection, but the next thing is basically a live stream setup that when people come across it, they'll have to stop and ask questions, or they have to stop and watch for a couple more seconds. So examples of this are when people are live streaming ice makers, they make the ice different colors so that people stop and kind of ask, oh, why is the ice blue? So I live stream a lot of Govee lights, so my lights tend to kind of attract people as soon as they come across my stream. Sometimes people have like a vacuum playing in their live stream, so that when people come across it, the sound attracts individuals. So setting up your live stream for success by making it appealing for when people come across it and they have to stop and think and then ask, like, oh, what is this? That should be taken to high consideration when it comes to setting up your live stream. So I hope you found this video helpful. Those are just some quick tips that I thought of when it comes to setting up a TikTok Shop Live. Let me know if you have any comments down below.